This Monday we're launching our program for the CAT exam, CAT and the non-CAT exam. So in case you want to join, please call the numbers given here so you can get in touch with my team for books, mocks, shortcuts, e-classes, any of the programs. So imagine you are one of the students here. So let's take an example of this guy who have done his summer internship at Echo1 Consulting and final placement in Bank of America. So you can be one of them. If you work hard in this top college, you can be one of them. PwC summer internship and final placement in PwC only. Google placement in Google, American Express Bank, Titan, BankQ, Goldman Sachs, summer internship, final placement, Goldman Sachs. So this report you have to take it as a motivation point of view. Of course, there are some blanks as well. Yeah, 20 student voluntary find out ये कहाँ गए. Fine. Lot of companies have come with that 20 people have taken 20 students एक साथ, and these are the top brands with package of 30 lakhs. Let's look at this thing. Product management company coming with 30 lakh package and complete fixed salary. Financial analyst company 29 lakh package, 14.5 are the fixed, are the variable. 28 lakh package, out of which 7 lakhs is ESOPs. So you need to know all these things, and trust me, this data, again, my request to you is take it as a motivation. Hi guys, I've got this placement report of one of the top colleges in the country. So ctaking.com/top, you can find the list of top colleges, and this college in the top 15 ka list. So the average salary of the college is claimed to be around 20 plus, 20 lakh plus. So, but we got this very nice report, complete detail with everybody's name, this company name, which company hired, how many resources. So let's check out this report. What I've done is I've hidden some data because of course कल को कॉलेज मेरे को सुसू ना कर दे कि जिसने लीक किया तुमने पब्लिश कैसे कर दिया, which makes sense. So I've removed a few data and giving you the sample data. So please consider this to be a sample data. This can be true for almost every college यार. अगर ये top 15 colleges का ये हाल है तो I'm sure बाकी colleges में भी ऐसा ही हो रहा होगा. Okay, so we have the student wise data, company wise data, CTCs, ये मस्त है यार दिखने वाला, and their profile. Okay, superb. So let's start with the which person have went to which company for placement. So we have the complete data here. So I can't, of course, hidden the names of the person there, and you can see a O, F, and C here. C भी आपको दिखेगा. So I'll explain that here. So total number of students at the campus is 430. That is the sample data I've taken. Yeah, I've fudged some data. I've changed some numbers ताकि मैं बोल सकूं ये आपका डेटा है ही नहीं. अगर सपोज कॉलेज में नंबर ऑफ इनटेक इज 500, मैंने इधर बोल दिया 430, ये आपका कॉलेज है ही नहीं. द कलर ऑफ द शीट वाज लेट्स से ऑरेंज, आई मेड इट ग्रीन, आपका डेटा है ही नहीं है. कैसे प्रूफ करोगे आपका डेटा है? Okay, so 430 students are there total. Eligible student for placement 410. Voluntary signed out is 20 students. Now, a lot of colleges are doing that, disclosing the number of students who have voluntarily signed out. Now, of course, there are some students who went for this thing, who went abroad. Maybe they're too rich, they want to go abroad. Student who want to join their family business. Student who have got a PPO outside, or they've not got the placement. Any of this data is possible for these 20 students. ठीक है, ये बड़े कॉलेज में ऐसा नहीं होता, लेकिन फालतू कॉलेज में ऐसा काफी होता है. वी हैड फॉर एग्जांपल 100 स्टूडेंट्स, आउट ऑफ 100 ओनली 10 गॉट प्लेसमेंट. 90 स्टूडेंट हु कुड नॉट गेट द प्लेसमेंट, वी मेड देम वॉलंटरी साइंड आउट. तो 10 बच्चे थे, 10 के 10 को जॉब लग गया, 100% प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट. देखा, हमारा कॉलेज ही टॉप है. फालतू कॉलेज में ऐसा होता है, टॉप कॉलेज में ऐसा नहीं होता. बट यस, देयर आर 20 स्टूडेंट. इवन आई एम अहमदाबाद, यू कैन फाइंड अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव वॉलंटरली साइंड आउट. So for the MBA program, PPO, 90 people got a PPO. If you look at the percentage of this, PPO out of the total 430. So 20% of the batch have got the PPO, which is a good number here. So average of the top colleges is around 20% only. Here, sub college में 20% आजकल हो रहा है PPO. 10 students have got a job through competitions. What do you mean by competition? Is there are sometime companies coming on campus and announcing a competition. Yeah, that whoever win the contest, and this can be at the college level or this can be at the national level as well. 2% of the batch have got through this thing, through competitions. Final placement, main number of people left is only 70%. Okay, and 20 student, 5% of the batch have opted out. So this is in sync with my report, which I normally claim. All right. So you can see here now 70% of the batch have got the final placement from the campus by competition through PPO through various places. So let's go into the detail of that. I've written the name of the students as well. So I've got the complete data यार कौन सा बच्चा कहाँ placement लगा है उस which की background क्या है, where they have done his graduation from. I'm going to make more videos about this as well coming along. So this is the first video giving you the complete overview. So 120 companies have come on campus total for the 410 students. So average 3.42 students taken per company, out of which 120 got a PPO, 40 companies have given a PPO, average 3 students per company. Competitions. So various companies, what they're doing now, they will not hire you directly. They will do a competition. Whoever wins the competition will get the job. So 10 students have got a job via competitions. Average 2 lakh. Final placement में 300 students. See, this is a separate video. The competition वाले जो होता है, I make a separate video for that, dedicated video for that, because you need to know. There I can name the companies. Here I can't tell the name of those companies. PPO वाली companies का नाम I can't disclose you here. I can talk in a separate video. Final placement 110, 300, 2.73 बच्चा getting through the final placement from the college. CTC. This is a main slide I was waiting for. ठीक है, ये आपको पॉज कर करके यू टू चेक 13.25 lakh का पैकेज, 13.25 to 20 lakh की रेंज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर वर्क एक्स. सो 13.25 plus 0.7 month 7 lakh rupees per year of experience, and is I think I assume the number of years, and out of them 10 lakh is fixed. 15 lakh का पैकेज, 15 to 17.5 lakh का पैकेज. Okay, I think you can share now. You can see the screen. Yes. Okay, 15 to 17 का 23 lakh का पैकेज, 10 16 lakh का पैकेज, out of which 10 lakh is fixed. Finance की company 17.6 जिसमें 16 fixed, 10 fixed. So now this video is for the motivation. Please take it as a motivation. This is, I'm not making this video for the controversy. वो पहले ही आपके लिए कोरा है आपके लिए. I don't want to talk too much negative about these things. या इसमें पब्लिक देखेगा अरे 13 लाख पे कंपनी आया, 15 पे कंपनी आया. Let's look at here. Compare these two things. Both the students have gone to consulting. Both have become a consultant. Superb. Salary 15 lakhs, salary 23 lakhs. अब बताओ जो 13 गया ना वो गाली देगा ही देगा. फिक्स दोनों को ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. वेरिएबल इज मोर. या 25 20 लाख का पैकेज. सम कंपनीज आर वेरी, सो 19.5 उसमें 15 लाख फिक्स्ड. ठीक है, एक और मेरे को यहाँ बहुत प्यारा डेटा दिखा था 19.2. अब बताओ यार ये फिक्स वेरिएबल किसकी गलती है. 18 to 21 lakh का पैकेज, कंसल्टिंग फर्म, फाइनेंस, आईटी, जनरल मैनेजमेंट कंपनी, आउट ऑफ विच 45% इज वेरिएबल. फाइन. जो पब्लिक कहती है कॉलेज इन्फ्लेट करता है डेटा, सीटीसी, भैया वो कंपनी ही इन्फ्लेट करती है. ओके, 12 लाख का कंसल्टिंग फर्म विद 12 लाख का पैकेज, 17 30 लाख फिक्स सैलरी. 29 ये देखो उसका भी 30 मिला, इसके दोस्त को भी 30 लगा है, बट उसमें से 14.5 आधा वेरिएबल है आधा फिक्स्ड है. 30. Are you getting me? Now these two, out of these two example, कॉलेज की गलती क्या है यार, आप मेरे को ये बताओ. 30 का पैकेज तो कॉलेज 30 दिखाएगा ना. 20 lakh का पैकेज, and this is told by the company. This is not done by the college. This number is given by the companies. Trust me, guys. 20 lakh का पैकेज, 7 lakh की ESOPs. So you can check out this thing. पॉज करके आप चेक कर सकते हो. हाँ, इसमें आपको जो देखना देख सकते हो यार. इसमें से यू वांट टू सी 12 लाख के पैकेज वाले लोग, यू कैन चेक दैट देम आउट. नीचे वालों को, ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू लुक एट द 20 लाख वाले पैकेज, यू कैन लुक एट दैट वन. वो आपकी मर्जी है, तुम्हें जैसा ढूंढने को चाहिए आपको हर चीज का डेटा मिलेगा. And then we have the profile of the all the students. I'll do a VLOOKUP on that afterward, from which where they did the internship, where did the final placement, which college they are from. या मैं वो compare करना. I want to compare IITians versus the average college student. कि IITian वाला कहाँ गया और average college वाला कहाँ गया. We have their name, we have their company, we have the college database as well. कहाँ पे job लगा, so I can do that. I have their work experience as well. How much work experience they have. Okay, so this is a huge database. So thank you very much for sharing this data, Ash. So I'm hiding his name as well. नहीं तो वो मेरे को बोलेगा सर आपने मेरा नाम क्यों ले लिया, ठीक है. तो these are something you need to know. This is a very good information. So please, this is for the motivation. ठीक है. Controversy as well. Of course, there are few controversial points as well, which is true in every college year. All the best. Hi guys, at CTing we're launching our online program. So in case you want to join our program, just call us on any of the numbers given here to join the program. We're also conducting our demo lecture this Friday. That is today we have a demo lecture from 6 to 7 p.m. Yeah. Otherwise, Monday we're launching our new program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here.